a top 10 rated beach in the world and another one that's world renowned. Those are the excursions we're taking on our Celebrity Xcel stops here in St. Thomas and St. Martin. We're going to let you know, are these excursions worth it or should you just do it on your own?
Well, we're going to review it and let you know.
All right, good morning. It's day 4 here on Celebrity Xcel, and today we are Port Day St. Thomas, and we're so excited. We've never been here, and we're going to a top 10 beach in the world. We're ready to get off the ship here now and get to Magens Beach.
Production, take 2.
All right, now we're ready to get off the ship here and get to Magens Beach, which is a top 10 rated beach in the world. We booked this excursion through Celebrity, so let's go check it out and see what it's all about.
We're in an interior stateroom, so I need some sun. Let's get to the beach. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We want to give you the
Perfect. 25 billion dollars.
On the beach, making the back with the name that you got up.
All right, so here we are at Magens Bay Beach, and I will tell you right now, it sure is beautiful. I don't know if I would say top 10 beach in the world. I mean, I'm not sure exactly why it's rated that. We'll have to look that up, but white sand, blue water, it's very nice scenery.
Well, yeah, I would definitely say it's definitely top rated for most crowded as of right now. I mean, it's really, really crowded out here now. So yeah, definitely make sure you're aware of that though, too. If you're expecting to come out and just have like a open beach, and I mean, again, it is so totally beautiful, but if you're expecting to come out here and have like just epic like fire alone time and stuff like that, it's just it's very crowded.
Yeah,
so just be cognizant of that.
I think there's 4 ships here today at St. Thomas.
Yes, they said they have up to 6 to 8 a day. So.
Yeah, so it's packed here. There's really no chairs available, but thank God we found a little spot here at the kind of beach bar. We're looking at the water. We're having a margarita. It is a great day so far. So here's a tip real quick. Just wanted to let you know, we are first-time celebrity cruisers, as you know. Didn't know the towel situation when you get off for an excursion. So make sure you grab it before you get off the ship. They will be there to grab as you're exiting the gangway, but we didn't see that. Thank you, Kate and Ben, for grabbing us 2 towels after we got off the ship. They went back on and got it for us. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that.
And here's another little tip too, y'all. Just so you know, when you get off the ship, you're going to have a little bit of a wait before they kind of move you out, and then they're going to load you on the little shuttles that bring you over here to the beach. But then again, that's a little bit of a trek too. So it's going to be about 20 minutes to a half hour. And it is kind of cool. They take you all the way up to the highest peak.
Very
you can oversee all of the water and get picture opportunities and stuff like that. But just be cognizant, make sure that, you know, use the restroom, get hydrated, because you're going to have about a 30-minute trek from the time you get off the ship to actually making it to the beach.
Yeah, also, it's pretty hilly. You know, I thought St. Thomas was like a flat Caribbean island, but there's definitely mountainous. So you kind of got to go up and then go down the mountain to get to Magens Beach. But the ride was well worth it.
Well, we're here. We're going to take you along with us and just let you know if this is something worth booking as an excursion. If you're on Celebrity Xcel. All right, y'all, here we are at the beach area. Just so you know, this is where all the taxis are going to be. Now, if you come over on one of the excursions, this is where they're going to drop you, and then they're going to give you a time when you need to be back. And also, you have to remember the cab number that you came over in. We came over in 1039, which was Johnny, and that's exactly the, cab, or should I say shuttle, that's going to take you back. So you want to make sure you get back to the same assigned shuttle. So remember where you're at, take a photo of it if you need to, or remember your shuttle number. All right, and when you get here, you can see there's a lot happening. A little bit of rain right now, but that's okay. We're Floridians, so we're used to this. Now, when you first get off your shuttle over, or your cab, however you're getting over here, these are the restrooms off to your left. So that's where you're going to want to change, do all of that. As you can see, it's really crowded. Now you can grab yourself a beer right here, get the party started as soon as you get off your shuttle. But yeah, you're going to have to walk all the way down to your second cabana area, and that's where you're going to be able to rent umbrellas as well as chairs. Now everyone's scrambling now because it's starting to rain, but like I said, being a Floridian, we're kind of used to this bullshit every afternoon of getting rain. So here they have these little pavilions where you can hang out after you get a cocktail. They have this outside barbecue area here. Not really sure what that's all about. But maybe at some point they do some kind of barbecuing. But as you can all see, honestly, it's pretty crowded, y'all. This is a public beach, so everyone's welcome. So you have to keep that in mind as well. All right, and here's the second area where you're gonna get all your food and drinks at. And this is where you're also gonna rent your chairs and umbrellas if you need them for the day. Let's take a walk up here and see the bar area. And like I said, y'all, it's pretty crowded, and with the weather and all, it is what it is, but it's your bar here. And they're separated by lines. So all drinks, beer, soda, wine only, all drinks. So just make sure you're getting in the right line.
The other side of the island.
Plenty of seating along here. And then if you want food, here's where you're going to come get your food. Let's look at the food menu here and where your options are. And down over here is where you'll see that little booth right there is where you'll rent your umbrellas and your chairs.
All right, y'all. So we just got back from Magens Beach here in St. Thomas through our excursion with Celebrity Xcel. And John, do we think it was worth the $90 per person?
You know, I'm going to tell y'all something. It's one of the top rated beaches, top 10 beaches in the world, they say. Now, I will tell you, it was definitely a great time. We had fun. But listen, y'all, save yourself the $90 a person. Get yourself a $15 cab out there per person. Spend the $60. Drive out there. It's a public beach. I just think that's a better option. Again, for our $91, we got the ride out there. They took us on a scenic route. Don't get me wrong. It was great. It was no hassle transportation. I can see how some people would like that.
Yeah.
But again, there was really nothing included with it. No drinks, no food, or anything like that.
Right. There were no inclusions. But here's the thing. It all depends on the type of traveler you are. Because I can tell you right now, when you get off the port, if you want to just go off on your own and get there on your own, you got to get off the port, find the taxi. Like John said, it's $15 per person. So for us, it would have been $60 total, $15 per person each way.
Right.
So if you want to, be on your own, do that adventurous kind of thing and go get that taxi, do it. But if you're the type of person who wants to get off the ship and just get there and back with the excursion group, then this would be for you. It just all depends on really who you are.
But to Ryan's point, if you like traveling with the group, the same group we went over there with in the shuttle, we came back with, had a check back in time. We all had to be back on the shuttle at 3:45. We made it back to port on time.
That's me.
So again, it just saves you, again, the anxiety, or if you're with somebody who has travel-driven anxiety, this is going to be the definitely the choice for you. But if not, hop in a cab and take the ride over there.
All right, so we're going to hit up St. Martin tomorrow in Orient Beach, which is another world-renowned beach. And we're going to take you with us and see if that excursion is with the price as well. So we're going to get back on Xcel here and get ready for our dinner at Magic Carpet.
Make sure you check out that video on our dining experiences here on Xcel, because that's going to include this video about the Magic Carpet ride. Let's do it.
All right, so it is our day in St. Martin here on Celebrity Xcel. We are doing our second beach excursion, and today is Orient Beach with lunch. This is a world-renowned beach. It looks beautiful. We're so excited.
Yeah, really excited to check out this beach. We had a great time yesterday. Hopefully this beach isn't as crowded. From what we've heard, it's a lot of fun. We even heard maybe at the end of the beach, there's like some kind of a nude beach or something. So if you're adventurous, want to check it out. But who knows? When in Rome,
Come
let's
along
go check
with
it out.
us. Getting on the bus.
Yeah? Is everyone properly seated? And we're now overlooking French Quarter, and right behind it is Dutch Quarter. So we've got a French Quarter and a Dutch Quarter.
All right, when you walk into the Coco Club here, they've got a special section for the celebrity excursion guests. We'll show you that, but this is a really beautifully set up beach club here. So when you walk in, they've got the menus that are available, but this excursion comes with an included 2 drinks and lunch, so you don't have to worry about that. But in case you wanted some a la carte items, they've got a varietal menu there. And this is the first bar where you walk up and get your first included rum punch, or you can just do a fruit punch. You don't have to do rum in it. But then you walk and you see the beautiful blue water and the white soft sand. Beautiful. Oh my God. All right, so when you come here for the excursion, over here to the left, on the left side of these blue barricades is where the area for the celebrity excursion guests are. So you've got chairs, umbrellas, tables, servers, and they will take care of you all day long while you're here. And then you can make your way right down to the water. And this sand is really, really soft. This white sand is just really, I mean, this is some pillowy white soft sand. And the water is just so blue. This is some of the bluest water I think we've seen since Bimini, huh?
Yeah, I totally agree.
Let's go see the temperature. Last time we were in the ocean, it was pretty chilly, and it's been pretty chilly and windy. What do we think it's going to be?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to say chilly.
Chilly? Let's see. That's pretty chilly.
That's chilly.
That's pretty chilly. Beautiful, but chilly. Whew. All right, so once again, what you get with this excursion is you get an included lunch and you get 2 drinks. You can get a welcome drink that's rum punch, fruit punch, and then you can get a second drink, which can be a cocktail or it can be a tea, soda, lemonade, whatever. We get exclusive seats, which we didn't get at Magens, so you get a specific area for you to sit in with a beach chair and umbrella. We get lunch and 2 drinks, so there's a little bit of a price difference.
Yeah, a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely, I could see so far this is definitely worth a little bit of a price difference.
So far, we've only been here a few minutes, but this experience at this beach is far superior than Magens, in my opinion. So what do you think?
100% agree.
All right, y'all, we are wrapping up our day here at Cacao Beach Club here in St. Martin, and we're going to get back on the Celebrity Xcel and let you know if this excursion was worth it, how it compares to our one in St. Thomas, and if these are excursions you should book through the cruise line or just do on your own.
Yeah, definitely. Well, let's get back to the ship and give you the full review. All right, y'all. Well, here we are back on the ship. We just got back in from spending an awesome day at Orient Beach. And let me tell you, it is a beautiful beach. How Orient Beach is not one of the top 10 beaches in the world is beyond us. We absolutely loved it. Now, let's just get into real quickly again. The cost of that excursion was $127 per person. That included the coach bus out there, lunch, 2 cocktails, and a dedicated seating area. Now, one thing we will tell you about Orient Beach, it was one of the places we were absolutely able to disconnect, relax, beautiful water, gorgeous sand. We walked the entire length of the beach. It took us about a good hour and a half. It was great. We came back, had lunch, had some time to sit and sunbathe a little bit in the dedicated seating area. That was absolutely worth every penny we paid for that excursion. Now let's circle back to Magens Beach. Listen, it was great. It's a public beach. It was kind of crowded, to be honest with y'all, and that's great, but there was really no place to sit. There was nothing included in the $91 we paid per person for that excursion, except for the ride out there. Now, it was fun. We did kind of take the scenic route, and we got some picture opportunities. But again, definitely that one would have been worth spending the $15 per person, $30 round trip to just go out there, chill, have a couple drinks. But to spend the $91 on that excursion, no, we don't really feel that was worth it. So definitely don't sleep on Orient Beach. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're able to disconnect. And again, for the price of the excursion, absolutely worth it. The food was great. The drinks were kicking. Again, just a really great experience. Magens, again, if you want to go check it out, go for it. But take the cab out there, save yourself the money. Well, listen, we hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like, share, subscribe. We appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch these videos. And until next time, cheers, y'all.